guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophia and thank you for being here. Today I'm going to do a ocean pour technique. Now I just want to point out that I tried this technique a few times and it didn't come out looking good. The last time I posted a short that didn't go anywhere because it really wasn't that nice. So this time I'm not going to use any blow dryer. I'm going to be using my straw to blow the design out, okay? I went ahead and I used marine blue and white to make sky blue. So I'm going to use this to cover the canvas. And this looks a little thick, so I'm going to add a little bit of water. I'm going to go ahead and pour my base color on it. So all I'm doing is covering the canvas with the sky blue because it's an ocean pour technique, so I'm thinking that the blue would look really good. And look at that, that's very pretty. Some of these colors that I'm using, they're Amsterdam colors, and some are from Liquitex. I'm going to start by pouring my colors. So I'm using only 3 colors. I'm going to start by blowing with my straw. I'm just going to turn it around. Alright guys, so this is what I get out of it, and it looks really nice with the sky blue for the base paint, and then I have green and blue that I blow out. So I hope you guys like it. It takes a little bit of time because I use a straw, but it comes out looking really nice, and when it's dry I will show you guys what the dry result look like. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching, and please remember to like, subscribe, and share my channel. Thank you so much.